कि हमको 6 महीना साल भर में मतलब निकाल के चले जाना है, तो उसके लिए नहीं है।
इधर तो है पटना में, अगर आप आए हैं तो समझिए कि 1 साल के लिए आए हैं, पता नहीं कब 10 साल का गुजर जाता है, पता नहीं चलता।
No holiday here in coaching. No holiday, no Sunday. It was stressful. I won't say it's not.
It's almost like you either go to this best college or there will be nothing that will happen in your life.
आपने कभी नोटिस किया है कि एक नॉर्मल इंडियन स्टूडेंट दिन में 12 घंटे पढ़ता है, कोचिंग जाता है, रात को जागता है।
So I start my morning by waking up and I have like breakfast and then I start studying. So I study for around 7 to 8 hours a day, and if possible I try to like study for more hours. I just eat and study. There's nothing else.
फिर भी जब ग्लोबल स्टेज की बात आती है तो सिलिकॉन वैली के सीईओज या टॉप साइंटिस्ट अक्सर वो होते हैं जो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचते हैं।
And that question is, who has ever been told to think outside the box?
Thinking outside the box.
Thinking out of box.
क्या उनका दिमाग अलग है?
But let me tell you, mind is not in the brain. This is a misconception all of us have. Brain is an organ. Mind is not an organ. Mind is energy. It's consciousness. And mind is universal. The whole mind of this world is one. And we are a part of that one space, individual mind. And mind is a canvas.
तो इसका जवाब है नहीं। फर्क है उनके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का। हमने अक्सर सीखा है व्हाट टू थिंक, क्या सोचना है। उन्होंने सीखा है हाउ टू थिंक, कैसे सोचना है।
Why what the world needs now is a large scale way for everyone to learn how to come up with their own way of thinking, not just how to do the problems.
The auto industry and build an all-electric car. Well, it goes back to when I was in university. I thought about what are the problems that are most likely to affect the future of the world or future of humanity. I think it's extremely important that we have sustainable transport and sustainable energy production. That sort of overall sustainable energy problem is the biggest problem that we have to solve this century.
आज हम डिकोड करेंगे वो 3 मेंटल मोड्स जो बाहर के लोग यूज करते हैं आपको आउट स्मार्ट करने के लिए। हमारा सिस्टम रोट लर्निंग पर चलता है, यानी इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करो और एग्जाम में वोमिट कर दो। पर ग्लोबल एलिट स्टूडेंट्स यूज करते हैं फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल्स थिंकिंग।
I think it's also important to reason from first principles rather than by analogy. So the normal way that we conduct our lives is we reason by analogy. We're doing this because it's like something else that was done, or it's like what other people are doing. It's kind of mentally easier to reason by analogy rather than from first principles. But by first principles is kind of a physics way of looking at the world. And what that really means is you kind of boil things down to the most fundamental truths.
Principles thinking, but is there kind of process to it?
Well, I like saying like physics is a law and everything else is a recommendation. Like I've met a lot of people who can break the law, but I haven't met anyone who could break physics. So the first, for any kind of technology problem, you have to sort of just make sure you're not violating physics. First principles analysis, I think, is something that can be applied to really any walk of life, anything really. It's really just saying, let's boil something down to the most fundamental principles, the things that we are most confident are true at a foundational level, and that sets your axiomatic base, and then you reason up from there, and then you cross-check your conclusion against the axiomatic truths.
इसका मतलब है कि किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम को उसके रूट ट्रुथ तक तोड़ देना। एक नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट सोचता है कि मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है क्योंकि सब बन रहे हैं, मगर फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से स्टूडेंट सोचता है दुनिया को एनर्जी की जरूरत है, एनर्जी स्टोर करने के लिए बैटरी चाहिए, तो मैं फिजिक्स सीखूंगा। रिजल्ट आप डिग्री के पीछे भागते हैं और वो सॉल्यूशन के पीछे। दूसरा फर्क है सर्कल ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंस। नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट हर चीज में एवरेज बनना चाहता है, मैथ भी, साइंस भी, हिस्ट्री भी, मगर ग्लोबल स्ट्रेटेजी के हिसाब से यह एक लूजिंग मूव है। दुनिया जर्नलिस्ट को मिनिमम वेब देती है और स्पेशलिस्ट को बिलियंस। ग्लोबल स्टूडेंट्स को बचपन से सिखाया जाता है अपने नीश को ढूंढो और उसमें वर्ल्ड क्लास बनो। वो एवरेज बनना रिजेक्ट करते हैं। यू कम्पीट विथ एवरीवन, योर वैल्यू टू नो वन। सबसे बड़ा फर्क है साइकोलॉजी का। इंडिया में फेलियर एक सोशल सुसाइड है।
We are losing young people to suicide. It's not only a loss to the family, but it's a loss to the community and the nation itself.
भारत में हर 3 मिनट पर एक इंसान अपनी जान दे रहा है। ये आंकड़ा है नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड्स ब्यूरो का। 2022 में हर दिन 468 लोगों ने अपनी जान ली। बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कोई आपको सुने, क्योंकि कई बार जब कोई सुनने वाला नहीं होता तो लोग गलत कदम उठा लेते हैं। आंकड़े दिखा रहे हैं कि भारत में खुदकुशी के मामले लगातार बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं।
अगर आप फेल हुए तो क्या करोगे? यहीं पर बाहर के टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज में फेलियर को एक डेटा समझा जाता है।
Very passionate about, and don't try to chase what is kind of the hot passion of the day.
People say you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up. It's really hard, and you have to do it over a sustained period of time. So if you don't love it, if you're not having fun doing it, and you don't really love it, you're going to give up.
So just go and do it, try, learn from it. You'll fail at some things. That's a learning experience that you need so that you can take that on to the next experience. And don't let people who you may respect and who you believe know what they're talking about, don't let them tell you can't get done.
When I was 29, I told myself the next acting job I get, no matter what it pays, I will from now on, for better or worse, be a working actor. So I quit my position at the Professional Examination Services, and now I didn't have either the internet or a cell phone or a job. But something good happened. I got a low-paying theater job in a play called Imperfect Love, which led to a film called 13 Moons with the same writer, which led to other roles, which led to other roles. And I've worked as an actor ever since. I didn't know that would happen. At 29, walking away from data processing, I was terrified. Ever tried? Ever failed? No matter. Try again. Fail again. Fail better.
जब आप सेफ खेलने की कोशिश करते हैं तो आप सिस्टम के सबसे बड़े स्लेव बन जाते हैं। सेफ्टी इज द बिगेस्ट ट्रैप फॉर ग्रेटनेस। तो क्या आप पीछे रह जाएंगे? तो इसका जवाब है नहीं, क्योंकि अब आपको यह सीक्रेट पता चल चुका है और ये 3 बातें आपको हमेशा याद रखनी चाहिए।
One art in life to learn extremely well, that's got to be one of them. The art of asking. What does ask mean? Ask means, what do you want? And the formula is staggering. It says ask and what? A guy ought to look into that. See, you've got to be better than a good worker. You've got to be a good asker. Now, let me give you 3 key points on asking and receiving. This can do it. Number 1, asking is the beginning of receiving. Asking starts a unique process, mental and emotional. I don't even know how it works. All I know is it works. It's like pushing a button and all this machinery starts working. I don't know how, it just works. There's a lot of things you don't need to know how, just work them.
सिर्फ इसलिए मत मानिए क्योंकि टीचर ने कहा है, लॉजिक ढूंढिए। सेकंड, बिल्ड, डोंट जस्ट रीड। एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाइए, चाहे वो छोटा हो। रियल वर्ल्ड एप्लीकेशन ही असली इंटेलिजेंस है। और तीसरा, मास्टर मेंटल मोड्स।
The answer is of course. I hardly do anything else. And one of my favorite tricks is the inversion process. And To give you an example, when I was a meteorologist in World War II, they told me how to draw weather maps and predict the weather. But what I'm actually doing is clearing pilots to take flights. And
basis won't make a difference. But if I do this for years, eventually I become irrelevant. And I become irrelevant not only in my knowledge and my learning and my development, but I become irrelevant to my audience because it's the same thing rehashed over and over again. And all I'm going for is that immediate dopamine hit.
चार्ली मुंगेर एंड शैने पेरिस की तरह एक दिमाग में टूल बॉक्स बनाइए। ग्लोबल स्टूडेंट्स स्मार्टर नहीं है और आज से आप भी वही करेंगे। Subscribe Prince Kashyap to upgrade your mental operating system.